morning, Sunday. This video might be a bit choppy, but basically we're going to go to Benty's. We're going to finish off that Civic like what we said, put the body kit on it and all that stuff. He's already made some progress and shut the spoiler on, so I believe, but you never know with Benty, I believe we're just putting the splitters on the front and back, and then he's basically done up to a certain level before he gets some more stuff to chuck on it. So that's what we're doing. It's probably going to be short, choppy, missing loads of bits out, but it's freezing cold and we're doing it on a drive, and I don't know as I can be bothered keep getting the camera out left, right and centre. So I'll keep posted throughout the day. See you in a bit. Right, so we're in business. The bumper's off already, and what we've got to do essentially is split the bumper in half. As you can see, it goes all around with them clips there, and we're swapping that for this, what's called the GP bumper supposedly, and it's
we're winging it,
just a bit different. That's it. Nice. So that's the goal for today, is get that, and then there's sort of the same version on the back, and that's what we're doing. And we're also swapping that grill for a Mugen grill, and then Benty's already done this spoiler all by himself. So it's a very nice spoiler. It reminds me of like a 993 GT3 wing or something. It's a Fields carbon fibre spoiler. I've never seen one before, but it's quite nice. And whoever painted it sort of left this carbon fibre exposed here. So yeah, as far as boy racer spoilers go, it's quite nice, isn't it? I think. Right, anyway, back to work. Right, so there we go, bumper on and grill on. We've just got to button up the sides. To be honest, I think I might run out of battery before we get to the end. So if this is all you see, then this is all you see.
You can put some pictures on at the back end.
Yeah, that's true.
Take some pictures on your phone and upload them.
Right, so all of a sudden the camera's got 90% battery back again, and we've not charged it, so fuck knows what that is. But anyway, this is the back that we're currently taking off. We'll come back with some progress. And this is the front with the bonnet shut complete. As you can see, Mugen grill, GP bumper. This is what Civic fans are into. There you go. Right, so a bit more progress. The rear bumper is now off. So it was basically 4 screws round here, 1 screw on the inside, these clips off, couple underneath, and then just yank like fuck on this and it pops straight off. So that was that, nice and easy. Right, so there's the finished result. We've got this new back bumper on. It sort of looks a bit like a diffuser. So these were optional extras from Honda, and these are legit Honda bits. Benty actually bought proper stuff instead of knockoff shit. So back around to the front, one last, what do you call it, before we go home. What do we think? I think it makes a big difference. It's quite the transformation. So yeah, that's your lot.